We at Kripadhara are dedicated to revive the lost Vedic ways of extracting pure oils, as it has been clinically proved that these oils are healthy and digestible. These oils are specifically meant for the people who are health freak, are ready to get educated, and are ready to spend for the better health. And the most traditional oil, and as recognized by Ayurveda as the best oil, and also recognized in clinical reports, is the black sesame oil. The black sesame oil is known for its rich fatty acids, antioxidants, high stability, and multiple uses. The first and foremost thing in the extraction of healthy digestible oil is the quality of raw material. The black sesame seeds, or any other seed for that matter for which the oil is taken out, should be dried, clean, sorted, and indigenous variety. The seeds should be packed in airtight bags so that there is no chances of oxidation. Second most important factor is machine design. The processing parts of the machine must be made up of wood. Wood is a bad conductor of heat. Hence, when it is run at low RPM, cold pressed oil is produced, and the temperature can be checked with the food grade thermometer fitted within the machine. The process of extraction is simple but scientific. The machine should be run at low RPM so that the temperature doesn't go above 45 degrees Celsius. Proper amount of water must be added at right time, at right temperature, and of particular TDS. The collected oil is thus left for some time for gravitational sedimentation. We don't do the physical filtration or the chemical filtration. Physical filtration also removes certain essential nutrients from the oil, and chemical filtration makes the oil non-virgin, which is not healthy for us. Kripadhara oils are as pure as mother's love. These oils are not blended with cheap oils to reduce the cost, neither are any substances added to make the extraction process easier. Once the oil is extracted in the machine, we at Kripadhara store the oil in food grade stainless steel small size containers. This ensures no oxidation, and hence in a natural way the oils have a longer shelf life and remain healthy, nutritious, tasty, and smell good. And hence the ultra virgin wood pressed Kripadhara oil is ready for packaging. We pack our oils in food grade lab tested glass bottles which have a pourer cap, and food grade lab tested and BPA free with flip top cap PET bottles. Our packaging is maximum up to 1 liter so that the oxidation is avoided. Black sesame oil is Kripadhara's flagship product for its immense benefits. In Ayurveda, it is known as king of all the oils. Black sesame is especially grown in Asian countries and is used for cooking, seasoning, and massage purposes. This black sesame oil has about 80% of unsaturated fatty acids and is rich in omega-6 linoleic acid, which is an essential fatty acid which the body cannot produce, and it must be supplied through food. As per Codex standard, the tocopherols present in black sesame oil range from about 330 to 1000 milligrams per kg, which provide it an additional stability. Vitamin E also is present in black sesame oil to about 30 to 40 milligrams per 100 grams. Because of its viscosity, nutty taste, natural aroma and color, it is used in various dishes, salad, and especially in Asian countries. Sesame, it is a worldwide oilseed crop which is used in food pharmacy. Sesame is also used as a proven herbal pain relieving formula. Based on clinical data, it was also observed that in a diabetic group, when they were served with the black sesame oil in their food, the LDL reduced and the HDL increased, and also the insulin level decreased. This also proved that the sesame oil enhances the good cholesterol in the body. CIR expert panel data concludes that sesame oil is safe to be used for the skin which can come in touch with eyes, hair, nails, etc. It is rich in zinc, which improves insulin function, and it is rich in calcium, having about 970 milligrams per 100 grams.
The salad with Kripadhara Black Sesame Oil. This particular salad is pretty much gives the magic. This have this oil and you start tasting and feeling each and every ingredient. And the moment you have this salad and this oil, Kripadhara Black Sesame Oils, this particular thing, this every bite you start feeling every texture into it, and it gives amazing. Now it's actually the salad is pretty much what I'll say is just not a side dish to me. Now it becomes a part of my meal. Probably now on a weekly basis, like probably twice or thrice, I have this meal over the breakfast or over the lunch, and I feel completely full, and it's amazing. And I suggest this. Yeah, this is wonderful.